podcast. Today BMC video is Starlink. The Starlink is a satellite internet service that provides high-speed internet coverage to remote areas. It was developed by Space, the company, the aerospace company owned by Elon Musk. Starlink uses a network of satellite low Earth orbit to send radio signals to users on the ground. The satellite communicate with each other to relay data to users. The Starlink works in any location view in the sky. The Starlink can be provide internet access to remote areas or underways by traditional broadband services. Starlink can provide high-speed internet with low latency. Space launched its first satellite 2018. As of July 2024, Space has launched 501 Starlink satellites. Space goal is to launch 42,000.
Myself, Logesan. I'm going to talk about operates of Starlinks. Starlink operates on satellite internet service technology that has existed for decades. Instead of using cable technologies such as fiber optics of transmit internet data, satellite system uses radio signal through the vacuum of space. Ground station broadcast signal to satellite orbits, which in turn relay the data back to the starlight. Users on Earth, each satellite in the Starlink's constellation weight 573 pounds and has a flat body. One SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket can fit up to 60 satellites. The goal of Starlink is to create a low latency network in a space that facilitates edge computing on Earth. The challenge of creating a global network in outspace is not a small one, especially because low latency is a important demand. Especially because low latency is an important demand. SpaceX processed a constellation almost 42,000 tablet size satellites circling the global in low orbit to meet this demand.
Guys, I am Lokesh. I am here to talk about the topic of key resources and key activities. Of Starlink. Starlink offers unlimited high-speed data through any arrays of small satellites and the drivers up to 150 megabits per second Mbps of internet speed. SpaceX plans to double this rate in the coming months. According to the recent Speedless by Starlink records the fastest medium of downloading the speed in the first quarters of 2022 and the 160 Mbps in Starlinks also cooked the 91 Mbps to US, 97 Mbps in Canada and 124 Mbps in Australia. Starlink Mexico was the fastest satellite internet in North America. So with the median of download speed in 105.91 Mbps, the speed of further relevance to upload the speed have been seen in the download curve of at least 33% in the US, from the 16.29 Mbps in the first quarters of 2021 to 9.33 Mbps in the second quarters of 2022. According to the Starlink's website, it offers high speed and latency and low as 20 milliseconds in the most of locations.
Hello everyone, this is Harikesh here and I am here to present the customer relationship of Starlink. Starlink primarily manages customer relationship through an online support system accessible via their websites or app, where users can submit tickets to describe issues and receive personalized assistance from the Starlink support team. While phone support is also available in some regions, the primary method of contact remains digital with a focus on providing prompt response to the customer inquiries. Digital first support. The main way to contact Starlink customer service is through their online support portal, where users can submit detailed tickets about their problems. Limited phone support. While phone support is being increasable available in certain regions, it's not the primary method for customer interface. 24/7 access. Starlink aims to provide around the clock support through their online channels. Focus on self-service. The Starlink app and website are designed to allow users to troubleshoot common issues independently. Feedback loop. Starlink actively uses customer feedback to improve their service and support systems.
Hello guys, myself Darshan. Today I am going to present cost and revenue streams of Starlink. Starlink mainly focus on India because in India they has larger amount of space to implement their Starlink project because India has very small amount of network providers which includes Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea and BSNL. But Starlink has more advantageous features than these providers like fast network speed, highest network coverage, even in the rural and urban areas. But there is a small disadvantage in Starlink because the Starlink was too costly in most of the areas when compared to America, UK, and United States. But there is an opportunity that Elon Musk can explore our India through the Starlink. They also the revenue streams includes customer segmentations, uh, uh, flexible pricing, and other key resources. Thank you.